aterrizaje. ¿Eso oíste? También ya es de la presión de los labios totalmente abajo. No sé, pero yo filmo lo que tenga que filmar. Ve totalmente. Ahí está el aeropuerto. Ahí cuando suena duro es cuando ya frena con motor. Ve, ahí está en el que vine con mi papá.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome to Miami. It will take the captain a few moments to taxi the aircraft up to the terminal. Please remain seated in your seat with your seatbelt fastened until we've come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain's turned the fasten seatbelt sign off. Please keep the aisles clear of all carry-on luggage and take extra care when opening the overhead compartments. Your luggage does move around during landing. It could fall out on you or someone seated next to you. On behalf of the entire International Miami-based flight crew, it's been our pleasure serving you this morning. We hope to see you again and very much appreciate your business. We hope you have a pleasant stay here in the Miami South Florida area, wherever your final destination may be today. You can use your phones as we taxi up to the terminal if we have them at your seat. Please make sure you check around your seat, the seat back pockets, the overhead compartments. For everything that you brought on board today, especially all of your electronic gear, please do not leave anything behind. Miami is also your first port of entry into the United States, regardless of your destination.